Today, we'll be conducting a weight test to see how Gutter Shutter performs against one of our competitors. We'll be hanging weights from the front lip of each system and measuring the gap between the rolled hood and the front lip of gutter as we go. The reason this test is important to us is because the relationship between the rolled hood and the front lip of the gutter plays a crucial part in allowing water into the system. Think about this. In a 1-inch rainfall, the average roof will shed roughly 1,000 gallons of water. That's a lot. So if your gutters aren't properly functioning, you could have hundreds of gallons of water missing your gutters, causing erosion, wet basements, or in severe cases, foundation problems and flooding. This amount of water is only part of the problem. The second part of the problem is that 1 gallon of water weighs 8 pounds. Underperforming gutters will fill up and continue to overflow with rushing water, storm after storm. Now, we are using identical weights, the same size and length of chain, the same carabiner clip, and both gutter systems are installed to the manufacturer's specifications. So let's get some initial measurements before we start. As you can see, Gutter Shutter can handle a lot more weight than the competitor, and we're extremely proud of this. Part of the reason Gutter Shutter performs so well is because our bracket system supports not only the hood of the gutter, but also the trough, including the front lip. This is important because water needs to be able to make it into your gutter system and not fail, no matter how much water gets in there during a heavy rainfall. Gutter Shutter accepts the maximum amount of water into the system and is guaranteed to never pull away from your home. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we hope you choose Gutter Shutter as your permanent solution for roof water management.